What's going on, it's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. Now in today's video, I'll be unboxing the brand new M4 powered MacBook Pro. Now of course we are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here, then I must ask you to hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified when I upload any of my up and coming videos. Of course, if you drop a comment down below letting me know that you have subscribed, then I will be writing your name on the subscriber wall of fame. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, I do want to quickly talk about the pricing structure for these brand new MacBook Pros. So for the M4 powered MacBook Pros, they all come with a 10-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, and they also start with 16GB of unified memory, and they also start with 512GB of SSD based storage. We now have 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports on these M4 MacBook Pros as opposed to 2 on the previous M3 generation. They start off at $1,599 or £1,599 if you're here in the United Kingdom. However, you could spec your MacBook Pro to have 32GB of unified memory, 2TB of SSD based storage, along with the nano texture display option and the 96W USB-C power adapter. Now over in the United States, that will set you back $2,769 or £2,769 if you are once again here in the United Kingdom. And in terms of colours, we still have our standard silver MacBook Pro colour option, but this time around with the M4 generation, we now have the space black option, which replaces the space grey options which we've seen previously. But that's enough talking about that. Let's crack open the box and see what actually comes included with this MacBook Pro. So in typical Apple fashion, on the rear of the box you will find a pull tab on the top and bottom. Now pulling away at this and lifting away the lid reveals the MacBook Pro sat atop. Now if we place this to a side, we get our first look at what other items come included. Now the first of these items is our Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope, and within this you'll find a quick start guide which gives you a general overview of the layout of ports along with software elements like the dock and the menu bar. We also have some health and safety information along with some further details on our 1-year Apple limited warranty, and we've also got some further information on how to recycle our MacBooks. With this generation of M4 MacBook Pros, we no longer have stickers included in the box. We then have our 70W USB-C power adapter, which comes in 2 parts. So if you are traveling to another location, then you are able to natively adapt the power adapter so that you can plug your MacBook Pro into the wall outlet of the country that you're traveling to. And not many people are aware of this, but Apple still sell their power extension cables. So if you need to extend the reach of your power cable, then you're able to purchase this add-on and increase the length of your MacBook charger. It's also worth noting that this 70W power adapter that comes included with this MacBook Pro will not fast charge this MacBook Pro, as you will need to go to the configurator page on Apple's website and fork out an additional £20 or dollars to be able to fast charge this MacBook Pro to 50% in 30 minutes. Yeah, I really wish that Apple would include this in the box and not tack on an additional charge just to be able to charge up their devices a little faster. And while the last item included with the MacBook Pro is our USB-C to MagSafe 3 charger cable. Now this cable comes braided and colour matched to the colour option that you pick at the time of purchase. And as you can probably guess, I have chosen to go for the space black MacBook Pros. Now this charger cable has an approximate length of around 2 meters, and as I mentioned earlier, if you need to increase the length, then you can purchase the additional power extension cable. And well, of course, we've got the MacBook Pro itself. Now of course I will be uploading a number of videos over the coming weeks showcasing its power and comparing it to the last generation and the first generation Apple Silicon MacBook Pros. So be sure to subscribe, clicking the bell, as you don't want to be missing out on those videos. Of course, if there is anything that you would like to see specifically tested on these MacBooks, then be sure to leave that down below in the comment section, and you probably should follow me on Instagram and X. I'll leave them linked down below in this video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.